Air Force Chief of Staff General Mark Welsh made his first visit to the F-35 Lightning II factory in Fort Worth, Texas, October 22nd. The F-35 is the Air Force's future multi-role stealth joint strike fighter that will provide a full spectrum of aerial capabilities to airmen throughout the force. During the next 3 decades, the Air Force will add 1,763 F-35s to its fleet. Currently, 6 are being flown for flight testing at Edwards Air Force Base, California, and 9 are being used for training at Eglin Air Force Base, Florida. According to General Welsh, the aircraft are an extremely important element of our national defense strategy.
It's critical to our future national defense strategy. Control of the air is still fundamental to all warfighting that the United States military conducts. And part of gaining control of the air is fighting your way into an air defense system that doesn't want you there, suppressing that system, and then engaging enemy aircraft with the force that you have in there when necessary to be able to provide air superiority for ground forces, maritime activity, etc. That's what this airplane's all about.
General Welsh indicated the F-35's tremendous capability is what makes this strategy possible.
It's the ability to engage wherever we need to engage in the future against any threat that we might face. It's a capability that our Air Force just simply has to have.
Currently, the Air Force's operational utility evaluation is underway at Eglin, while the F-35 Integrated Test Force and 461st Flight Test Squadron at Edwards is completing testing of the F-35A. During the week prior to General Welsh's visit to Fort Worth, the F-35A completed the variant's first in-flight release of a 2,000-pound GBU-31 Joint Direct Attack munition and an AIM-120 Advanced Medium Range air-to-air missile for 2 critical test milestones. Welsh said he's receiving positive feedback from the pilots and maintainers working with the airplane. He also indicated when this aircraft is deployed to the field, it will give the service a tremendous capability to defend America and its allies.
It's a great airplane. The guys who are flying it say that the airplane flies the way it's supposed to fly. That's a huge compliment from guys who don't give compliments freely. And they need to know that we're going to get there with the development of this airplane.
In the coming months, the team at Edwards will continue with weapons and high angle of attack testing, while Eglin trains pilots and maintainers from the U.S. Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, and international forces. Operational test aircraft will be delivered to Edwards and Nellis Air Force bases, further expanding the envelope of the Air Force's latest 5th-generation fighter.